Hey guys, it's Diamond Mine and welcome back to my channel. Thanks for tuning in for another video. So this wig that you see me putting on here is from OMG Her Hair. This is their Kinky texture wig. You guys know this texture is my absolute favorite. It mimics African American hair to the T. So I don't know what really happened, to the clip of me cutting the lace and plucking the hairline, but you guys pretty much know how I do. You can check out several other videos to see how I pluck and cut the lace and all of that good stuff. So again, keep in mind with the Kinky texture wigs, it does have a lot of fullness to it, especially if you go above the 130% density. You're going to experience a very full wig, which is another reason why I love this texture. So this wig is actually 130%, so the density on it is perfect. I don't have to apply too much heat to get a straight look. Now, because this hair is thick, I am having to go through with the hot comb and press it several times in order to get the wig and the hairline to smooth out. I'll also be sure to post other video links below in the description bar of me wearing this texture in several different ways, even ways wearing it in its natural state without applying any type of heat. Regardless, is perfect. So I'm going to go in and fix the hairline by using the Lotta Body hair mousse. I love using this stuff for my hairline, and also this stuff helps with giving you a glueless wig install as well. So I'm going to finish up doing the hairline and I'll be back. So when it comes to laying the sideburns on my wig, my natural sideburns are extremely long, so they end up blending in with the wig. So what I do is I continue to use the wrapping mousse, and I just get my natural not baby hairs, but my natural sideburns and the wig sideburns and just blend them both together. That's the only way, the glueless technique works for me. And as you can see, I just continue to play around with my baby hairs until I get it to look the way I want. On this side, it's cut, the lace is cut way too short, so that's why I'm kind of struggling a little bit. So once I'm done with my hairline, I'm going to use the wrap tie tied around my head, put a scarf on. This is also going to help with making the hairline look better for the drying process, and it's going to also help with the glueless technique, so it's going to secure the wig down a little bit more. I typically let the scarf and the head wrap sit for about 10 to 15 minutes, or I'll go ahead and let it sit while I'm styling my hair. But for this video, I didn't do that, so I just let everything sit for 10 minutes, and then I removed it and went on ahead to styling the hair. So I'm just going to throw some curls in this wig. I know the curls are really not going to last because this is a really straight texture, but I just really wanted to see if this hair would hold a curl long enough so I can have some sort of idea on how this wig would look with curls, but it just didn't work out. And I mean, I used setting spray and everything, and it just didn't work out. So I'm going to continue to curl my hair so at least you guys can see what this wig would look like if you attempted to put some curls in it. Now, I will say that the hair became more wavy, but the curls really didn't last that long. So I'll be back. Okay, so as you can see, the hair does curl, but it just doesn't stay tightly curled. So you're going to get more like a loose curl effect, which is okay if that's the look that you're going for. But I mean, I'm really not disappointed because I kind of figured this hair wasn't going to really hold a curl like that. But I do like the little bit of loose curls that it does have at the moment. So I'm just going to play around with the hair, fluff it up a little bit, and this is what I came up with. So all information will be below in the description bar. This is just a quick look, a general idea, so you guys can see that you can curl this hair, but it's really not going to last that long. So I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.